everybody, I'm Shannon and I work at the Cass County Public Library. We're all really excited about our summer reading program this year. We're using a new program called Beanstack and we wanted to take a second to show you how that works.
Start by visiting cascolibrary.org/SRP. We are offering 4 program levels this year: pre-readers, readers, teens, and adults. Check the requirements for each level and select the program that best fits you. While we are encouraging the use of Beanstack this year, paper logs are still available for you to download if you prefer. Click the link that reads "Sign up here" to go to the Beanstack login page. Before I show you how to register, I want to point out our 20,000 Books in 2020 challenge for Cass County. All reading logged by participants this year contributes to this goal. But now, let's get registered. Click Register an Individual or Family. For this example, I'm an adult registering my children only. I will still be the head account holder, so my information is needed. While creating a username is optional, an email or phone number is required to register. You create your own password. Be sure to use something you will remember later. Then select the branch you use the most. This is where any prizes earned will be picked up. Begin entering the information for your first participant. Their age and grade level will help determine what reading challenge to select for them. Use the drop-down menu to find your school or begin typing its name to narrow the options. Select the challenge that best suits your child's age and reading preferences. Once you select books or minutes and begin logging, you cannot switch your challenge. I am going to add another child to this account so I can show you how to log both minutes and books later on. Because Meredith is only 1.5, I will select babies and toddlers for her grade. I will also leave school empty. We hope you consider signing yourself up, but for now we'll continue on. Once you have created an account, this is the screen that will come up each time you log in. The drop-down menu in the upper left lets you switch between readers' information. Each reader has their own page with information about their challenges and progress. You can see Jimmy has signed up as a reader for minutes. On the website, the easiest way to log is to click the orange button at the top of the screen. You can also change readers here, so let's look at Meredith. Remember to log for the challenge you chose, books or minutes. Reading can be logged periodically or at the end in bulk on the website. Title and author are optional. After you submit, the green ribbon at the bottom appears to confirm. Then you can exit out. Select a reader's name from the drop-down menu to view their progress. The challenge criteria appears, as well as how much reading has been completed. Scroll down to see the badges earned so far. Because Meredith has completed her challenge, she's ready for bonus play. To see all possible badges, click the Logging Badges tab. Gray badges have not yet been earned. Now this is important. Bonus play is earned only through logging minutes, so participants who chose books need to switch to logging minutes after completing the initial challenge. For each 100 minutes, you earn a new badge and an entry into prize drawings. You can earn up to 5 entries total. One of our favorite features is the ability to download the Beanstack app to your device. Once you log in, logging is simple. Just click the blue plus sign, select your readers, add titles or time, and submit. It is easy and intuitive.
So keep reading.